Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Chase Sapphire Preferred flight booking. We'll dive into the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, your gateway to redeeming points for travel. You'll learn how your points translate into real value, often at 1.25 cents per point, when booking flights directly through Chase. We'll also cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth booking experience, highlighting both the advantages and any considerations you should keep in mind before confirming your travel plans. Maximizing your ultimate rewards points is key to smart travel. When you book flights through the Chase portal, your points are worth 25% more, meaning 100,000 points become $1,250 in travel value. However, sometimes transferring points to airline partners can yield even greater value, especially for business or first-class tickets. We'll explore how to evaluate these options to ensure you're always getting the most out of your hard-earned rewards for your next flight. Booking flights with your Chase Sapphire Preferred card offers several valuable benefits. You'll gain peace of mind with travel protection such as trip cancellation and interruption insurance, covering up to $10,000 per person and $20,000 per trip. Plus, you receive primary car rental insurance, a significant perk. However, it's wise to compare prices on the Chase portal with direct airline websites, as occasional discrepancies can occur. Always check both to ensure you're getting the best deal. So, is the Chase Sapphire Preferred the right choice for booking your flights? For many, especially those seeking straightforward redemptions and a 25% point bonus, it's an excellent option. If you're aiming for luxurious first or business class travel, transferring points to a partner airline might unlock even greater value. Ultimately, the best strategy depends on your specific travel goals and how you prefer to redeem your rewards. Weigh these factors to make an informed decision for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.